Welcome to our tutorial on traction relation. We're going to pick up where we left off in our previous tutorial. Let's right-click and edit our sketch. Now let's delete the belt. Right-click, delete. Yes. Now let's add a coincident relation here. And click OK. Next, I'm going to Control-select these two circular entities, and I'll add a traction relation. OK. Select this circular entity, and Control-select this one. Add a traction relation, OK. Last one, this circle, and add a third traction relation. OK. Now if I grab and rotate this wheel, the rest of the wheels rotate as well. As you see, some of the wheels have a freedom of movement. Let's create one more block now. Click OK, and Control-select this line and this circle and add a traction relation. Click OK. Now let's add a horizontal relation. Now if I rotate this wheel, the block moves from left to right. And this concludes our tutorial on traction relation.